So welcome students. In this question, given that secant A is 17 by 8 and cosecant B is 5 by 4 and you are asked to find secant of A plus B. So I am more comfortable with sines and causes because I have formulas in sines and causes. So what I try to do is I'll try to first find cos of A plus B. And once I find cos A plus B, if I reciprocate it, I'll get secant of A plus B, right? Now how do I get cos A plus B? So if I want cos of A plus B, what I need to know is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. I need some information about A and B. So I'll go to the information which is given. So secant A is given as 17 by 8. It is cos A is equal to 8 by 17, right? And cos A is given to you. Next, cosecant B is 5 by 4. That means sin B is equal to 4 by 5. So sin B is given. So cos A is given. Can I find sin A? Yes. Sin B is given. Can I find cos B? Yes. I'm going to use the triangle method. So in the triangle method, what you do is, if I take this as 90 degrees, if I take this as A, so cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. And from Pythagoras theorem, can you find this side? Yes, root of 17 square minus 8 square, root of 289 minus 64 is nothing but root of 225, which is equal to 15. So this implies sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse 15 by 17. But as we have seen, triangle method does not give you the sign of the trigonometric ratio. So sin A can be either plus or minus 15 by 17. Next, from the equation, from the information of sin B, let us try to find cos B. So for this, the right angle triangle looks like this. If this is B, sin is 4 by 5. From Pythagoras theorem, the other side will be equal to 3. So cos B is equal to 3 by 5. But triangle method doesn't give you the sign because B can be any quadrant. So cos B is equal to plus or minus 3 by 5. So once you have cos B and sin A also, you can just need to plug these values in this formula to get the value of cos of A plus B. So cos of A plus B is equal to, so cos A is 8 by 17. There's no doubt about it. Into cos B. Cos B is plus or minus 3 by 5. So into 3 by 5 plus or minus of sin A into sin B. Sin A is plus or minus. So if I write plus or minus, I'll get a plus or minus here. Minus or plus doesn't matter. 15 by 17 into sin B is exactly equal to 4 by 5. So now you can have plus or minus in the numerator here and plus or minus here. So you can have 4 different values. So that is equal to, so in the denominator you have 17 into 5, which is 85. 17 into 5 is 85. In the numerator you can have 4 different values. So I'll write it as by 85, by 85, by 85. So first, if I take both positive, you get 60 plus 24, you get 84 by 85, which is okay. If you take positive here and negative here, plus 24 minus 60, it is minus 36 by 85 is also okay. If you take minus here and plus here, minus 24 plus 60 is plus 36 out of 85, which is also okay. And finally, if you take both as negative, minus 24 minus 60, minus 84 by 85 is also okay. So these are 4 possible values of cos of A plus B. And once you get cos of A plus B, secant A plus B is nothing but the reciprocals of these values. So secant A plus B can also be any of the 4 values, plus or minus 85 by 84 or plus or minus 85 by 36. So these are the 4 possible values of secant A plus B. Thank you.